Today I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful Ghibli-style image in Leonardo AI, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This style is loved for its soft colors, magical atmosphere, hand-painted look, and dreamy anime feel, and with the right prompt and settings, you can get amazing results fast. If this tutorial helps you, please hit like and subscribe for more AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Leonardo AI in your browser and go to your workspace. Once you're inside, look for the image menu button in the middle of the screen and click it. This is where you'll start creating your image. After that, choose your preferred model. For this style, GPT-2 and Flux-2 are the recommended options because they can produce strong artistic results with that soft, illustrated look. Next, set your quality. If you want a cleaner and more detailed result, use a higher quality setting. Then choose your image dimensions based on the type of image you want to create. For example, if you want a portrait-style character image, use a vertical format. If you want a landscape scene, choose a wider aspect ratio so the environment has more room to breathe. After that, select how many generations you want. If you want more options to compare, generate multiple images at once. If you already know exactly what you want, a smaller number may be enough. Now find the text prompt bar. This is the most important part because the prompt controls the final look of your image. To get that Ghibli-inspired feel, you want to describe the actual scene clearly and naturally, while also guiding the model towards soft, whimsical, hand-painted visuals. If you're creating a landscape, use words that suggest soft and warm colors, a magical atmosphere, a highly detailed hand-painted look, watercolor textures, anime key visual style, and an 8K finish. If you're creative on a character image, focus on expressive, round, childlike eyes, soft shading, a cozy environment, colorful background details, highly detailed features, and cinematic lighting. It also helps to include a negative prompt so Leonardo AI avoids the wrong style. In the negative prompt field, add terms like photorealistic, 3D render, plastic textures, modern buildings, sharp digital lines, ugly and grainy. This keeps the image more artistic and closer to the classic animated look you're going for. If you already have an image you want to use as a reference, you can upload it too. Just click the upload button and select a photo from your local storage. Using an image reference can help guide the composition, pose, colors, or overall feel of the final result. This is especially useful if you want Leonardo AI to recreate a certain mood or layout, while still making it feel magical and stylized. Now, type your text prompt. Be specific about the scene, the subject, the setting, and the emotion. For example, you could describe a peaceful forest path, a cozy village, a flying character, or a child standing in a glowing meadow. The more clearly you describe the scene, the better the model can understand what you want. Once your prompt is ready, double-check your settings one last time, then click Generate. Leonardo AI will now create your image based on the prompt, model, quality settings, dimensions, and reference image if you used one. If the first result isn't perfect, don't worry, that's completely normal. You can adjust your prompt, try a different model, change the aspect ratio, or generate more variations until you get the exact Ghibli-style image you're looking for. And that's it. You've now learned how to create a Ghibli image in Leonardo AI using the right model, the right settings, and the right prompt style. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.